The Power Grid Corporation of India has signed an MOU under the CSR authority of the Directorate of Health Services for an amount of 2.63 crores. The funds will be used to buy various types of medical equipment. Vijay Saxena, CEO of CSR Authority of Goa, gave more details.
It is a project of worth rupees more than 2.5 crore rupees, which the Power Grid Corporation will give to the Goa CSR Authority. Under the project name is Supply of Medical Equipment Instrument for Automation in Blood Bank. Plus, it will be available for 2 ALS ambulances, 6 BLS ambulance for hospitals in Goa state. The three of us have signed this agreement today, MOU. It is Power Grid Corporation, Directorate of Health Services and the Goa CSR Authority. It is in such a manner that the Power Grid Corporation will provide the whole amount in the Goa CSR Authority's account. The Directorate of Health Services will place the orders for all kind of purchases, will procure the goods for them, and then after they complete the codal formalities, they request the Goa CSR Authority. Goa CSR Authority will release the amount to the concerned vendor from where they procure the amount. This CSR Authority has come into the picture only because of an idea conceived by the Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant, who has created this CSR Authority. It has helped the Goan communities in a big way. It is different corporations, offices from all over the country are now approaching the Goa CSR Authority for the funds. The CSR Authority is quite in full swing to accept the funds, are in discussion with many corporate offices in the state as well as outside the state. We have certain advisors appointed for the purpose. The Goa CSR Authority is registered with the Ministry of Corporate Affairs as well as it is registered with the Register of Cooperative Societies Act. So we fulfill all kind of conditions and we are still seeking potential donors to come and help. It is not that the corporate offices are not doing for Goa. I thank all of them who are doing something good for the Goans anywhere in any field whatsoever they decide. It is only the matter that if funds are routed through the Goa CSR Authority, the government can at least decide the priority of all those funds which comes in a year within the geographic limit of Goa. It is really appreciable that Directorate of Health Services has had a long discussion, negotiations with the Power Grid Corporation. Power Grid Corporation has shown their interest so much that I have no words to appreciate their efforts for coming to Goa, giving us their money to us under corporate. They are bound to spend this money is a different issue, but they have thought of Goa, they have thought of helping the Goa government, Goan community. I have from my side, from my government, from the Director of Health Services, I thank them wholeheartedly.
William Rodriguez, Shubhashish Govekar and Sanika Nagvekar for Goa 365.